Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Moreni Keji, and on my channel we talk about marketing, motivations, and a little bit of lifestyle. And now, about 2 weeks ago, I uploaded a video on what is ChatGPT, the benefits for small business owners. And in today's video, I'm going to be going further in that video by giving a short tutorial, a short but informative tutorial on how to use ChatGPT properly and how it can help you, in terms of time management and how to deliver properly as a small business owner. Now, if this is the kind of content you would like to watch and you're new on my channel, you might want to stick around. And to my OGs in the house, welcome once again. So if you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up and also watch this video to the end. Without wasting much of your time, we'll go straight into the tutorial. So now in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT for your content creation skills, for email marketing strategies, or for email marketing content that you might want to send to your consumers or to your customers for a small business owner, and how it makes things faster. In my previous video, I'm going to link it up here. I talked about the benefit of ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT, and so now we're going to be having a practical tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for your own business. Okay, I'm not sure I'm looking into the camera, but okay. So first thing you might need to do is check your Google search, and you go to So once you search, first thing you might want to do is to check your ChatGPT on the Google Chrome or whatever search engine you're using, and you go to introducing ChatGPT, and then we're just gonna scroll down and try it out. Okay, so once you click into try ChatGPT, I said it in my previous video that ChatGPT is for free. So all we're gonna do is to sign up, and if you've already signed up for that, all you just need to do is log in into it. Okay, so once you're done logging into the ChatGPT, it's going to take you to a platform like this, and then you're going to be seeing exactly what's on my screen, except if it's been updated at the time you're watching this video. Okay, so now we just want to search for content. Now, if you're a content creator and you're always getting stuck with content, and you do not know what to post about based on your business, this is the perfect thing for you. So now let's just say we want to talk about your fashion ideas. Okay, content ideas for a fashion brand. Can you see there are all several can you see there are several ideas, content ideas that you can talk about being provided by ChatGPT? Honestly, you can't get this on a Google search to get 10 different content ideas from just one search result. So if you want to talk about, if you're going to be talking about, let's see, isn't this amazing? If you're going to be talking about, let's say you have a fashion brand and you need content ideas for a fashion brand, you can talk about content. You could make a content based on fashion trends. You could make a content based on lookbooks. You could make a content based on fashion tips. So, and this is not only for any segment of business, it covers all segments of business. Okay, so all you just need to do here is to copy all of this, and then copy this and keep them in your Google document, where you'll be able to work better on it and begin to create your content. So there's no excuse for you saying that you are blocked, your creativity part is blocked, you cannot create anything. You have enough content ideas that you can generate from ChatGPT. Okay, another thing that I said we'll be talking about is how to create a good email marketing strategy. Okay, email, let's search for that, email marketing strategy for a fashion brand. See, here is our other search results. You can see it. Build an email list, segmentation, welcome email, promotions. These are the email strategies you can use as a brand owner or as a business owner in your business. Okay, this is an email marketing strategy for a fashion brand. So you might want to need to build an email list, segment them, welcome email, and everything you need to follow up. Honestly, this is blowing my mind, and I believe it will be blowing your mind as well. And then the last thing is, let's say you even have the email marketing strategy, but you're so lazy to come up with a email marketing content or a email marketing write-up or anything. So let's see how ChatGPT can also help us with that. Okay, okay. This is what I have said. I said this in my previous video. I will link the video in this particular video. You will see it there. Here is a full email marketing campaign that you can use for your brand. Now, this is the thing. Remember, this is just based on a data. Okay, it's a data that was prepared, and everything in this campaign might not be useful now, but at least you can tweak and change some of the things that are not useful to you. You can twist and change them and make it favorable to your brand, but at least you have like a big draft of whatever it is that you want to talk about. Can you see? We've been able, in just less than 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, we've been able to create an email marketing campaign. We've been able to get an email marketing strategy, and we've also been able to get different content ideas for your content creation. So if you are not using ChatGPT, honestly, this is free. I don't know why you are not using it. If you're not using it as a business owner, you need to start getting to work right now. Like, you need to start using it. This is the new it. Okay, so this is all I'm going to be teaching you on ChatGPT. If you have any questions or anything or whatever it is that you want to talk about, you can put it down in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you until the next video, where I'll be telling you how you can work with ChatGPT and your Canva to make your life easier, right? Okay, I know a lot of people want to watch that video. See you soon in my next video. Bye.